Good afternoon, everybody.
Good afternoon.
I would like to thank you all for celebrating my such a lovely birthday. It's the second birthday I'm celebrating with you people. In fact, with Bikanerwala, and I'm really grateful that you have brought the cake and with full of love, lots of things I got from your end, and thank you so much. Before cutting the cake, I would like to highlight few things, few points in this meeting. That what is my experience with Bikanerwala for the last 2 years, right? So it was a lovely journey with you people, and many more will come with you people, and we'll make lots of changes to the Bikanerwala. In fact, Bikanerwala was opened long ago in Dubai. It was a franchisee outlet with Lal's group of the company, and then later stage, Bikanerwala took over the group to run by themselves. Is it clear? And then later on, the Bikanerwala took over from the franchisee company. For what reason, I don't know. And say around 14 years ago, I'm not sure about the year 1999 or maybe 2003. I could only explain probably 14 years or 15 years ago. The growth was when they opened, it was the Karama branch was the first one. Then they went to Lulu and Sharjah, and Barsha was opened when the franchisee took over. Correct, Anand? Correct? The owning company took over.
Yeah.
Right? Okay. Till that time they were running the show for almost 10 years. And I joined the company 2 years ago. They had in the vacuum 2 more outlets, Pipeline, Business Bay and JLP. When I came, the first outlet I opened Business Bay, and it's now successful running. The second outlet I opened JLP, which is in H cluster JLP Dubai, which is also running in a good way, and we are hoping it is going to be the best in that region. With my contacts and with my experience into Dubai from a long time, I could added many more outlets within these 2 years. As you people know, the Palm Jumeirah is added, number 1. Then we went to Even Battuta, that is added. For Jan Mall, I have added. Circle Mall, I have added. International City, I have added. With the sources of Pankaji, we have added Al Ghurair Center. And now the last one, we are also hoping to get in Cornish, Dubai, which is Mirage is opening 2 big hotels, and a full Cornish is getting developed over there, right? So I can assume around 10 more outlets will be coming very soon into the fleet. And I'm sure with this 10 outlets, with the experience you people have, and whatever I could share with you people, we can add hundreds and hundreds of outlets to Bikanerwala in all over the world, not in Dubai. All right. Business-wise, what I could gather that we need to work more on business. We are going ahead. We are going. The graph is going the upward. It's not a downwards. All right. And time to time we have to see where are we going, where are we lacking, you know, which products are going slow, which products are going slowing down, and what is the reason. In this business we need to see the reason. I mean, why we have for the Kaju Katli or maybe any sweets or maybe any snacks, why the South Indian sales is compared to the other months are low. Maybe we are always there to find solutions, to see the taste, to see the quality of the product, and sometimes you must see as a manager the quality of presentation. how the food is presented to the customers, how your displays are laid out. Continue your briefings. Briefings are such an important thing that you can really teach your staff what exactly I want through you people, right? So these are very important things. I would like to now, I won't take much time on this meeting. I would like to appreciate what I have noticed in this Diwali, and each outlets of our Dubai branch. First of all, I would like to appreciate Mr. Naresh, please. Naresh is the one who has got lots of orders for Diwali. And since he has got lots of, he has been here for the last almost 4 to 5 years in the company, correct? And he knows in and out how many people are coming, what kind of a groups coming to the outlet, what kind of a companies, owners are coming. So he has got a very strong relation with them, and he really takes care of them. So I appreciate Naresh for that Diwali orders. And Karama banqueting is doing very good. It's upwards. The credit goes to all of you, including the banqueting manager, Mr. Pinto. He is doing good. This Diwali, I would like to appreciate Sandeep for handling complete store retail business. He was totally involved, took care of the products and the presentation and filling of the counters, which is very, very important. The product has to be always available on the counters, right? Now, the best outlet, what I could see the small and the best one, which shows, which has not which has not showed the result so fine this time. Lulu outlet was really tremendous. Come back to the business by Uday. He has got good bulk orders and the retail was good. Sharjah has improved quite a lot. We are working to get more improvement on Sharjah with introducing a little slowdown on the prices, or maybe introduce more food with the lesser price, so that can attract more people, right? Mr. Jawad has done a tremendous job on the marketing, and he has added lots of hotels to the fleet. Plus, we got a Etihad Group orders on the paneer, which we are supplying them, and many more it will come, right? Firoz is taking care of business way. This time his display was very, very good. I appreciate his people, I appreciate him. His management is improved a lot, doing a good job. Mr. Joshi is also handing out and he's such a lovely man in the company that he really cares for everybody, and he takes care of his job very nicely, and no matter anything goes wrong in the your account section or anything, he comes out to the field and help each and every manager and each and everybody whosoever is concerned with the accounts division. Barsha branch, which is the second greatest outlet into our fleet, Mr. Anand, he is doing a good job. His management is good, and presentation of his displays and the briefing master and cleaning counters, everything he takes care up to the mark.
Thank you, sir.
We have the chartered accountant, Mr. Ravinder, has joined us. I think he is a very big help into our fleet. We can see lots of improvement in accounts department since he has joined us. Today we had a lovely meeting with the medical representative, which is just over 1 hour ago. I mean, he knows how to do the proper system, how to bring proper system into the Bikaner environment, and following things very well. and I welcome Ravinder. We have in the store, we have a Chandar Singh is the store. In fact, he is not here at the moment, but Chandar is handling complete store very nicely, very properly, and for Diwali orders, whatever order comes from here, the Chandar is the right man to take care of this. So I would like to thank you, all of you, for this meeting. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
If anybody has anything to say, can give your comments. Please go ahead, Ravinder.
Sir, on this good occasion of your birthday, I have few words for you. Even I have been very less time with you, but I can see the excitement level and I can see the level of the way of working. Yeah, it's a really appreciative. The way you are working with your subordinates, you are working with your managers. Sometimes you scold them very loudly and to get the work done. And sometimes you feel as a friends level, as a to be a very good friendship with them and with other staff also. So the excitement level and the level of working and at the good level, at the management level, it's a really very appreciative, and I can say you're very energetic person, which I have been looking for last 2.5 months around. So I really appreciate your the contacts level, the way you have opened so many outlets and all. So with this, I just appreciate that.
Sir, I would like to take some few words, whatever Ravinder has said at another level. Just as far as my experience is concerned, I've been working almost 8 years in this industry. So since 4 years I've been working in Bikanerwala, but I have learned a lot in Bikanerwala. But I will think the great time which I have spent, it was the last 2 years which I have worked with you. I have learned a lot. My confidence level has gone to other level. So thanks to you and for being with us and being such a well guardian and such a well knowledgeable and giving things whatever we required at the same time and helping us in very low moments or good moments. So thanks for being with us, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Anand.
Good afternoon, sir, and good afternoon, all gentlemen. I will say only one line of that. Boss, you are great. You are such a very nice person. I have never worked at a look like your boss. You are a great personality, great boss.
First of all, sir, happy birthday to you, sir. And my great experience in first time in the business way, sir. I improve the business in business way, and everything is good, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you.
First of all, happy birthday. I'm feeling very exciting. Today is your birthday, and we have learned a lot of things from you. Thanks to.
Yeah, Jawad, you were saying something.
Yes. So you guys, everyone knows about that. The good news that we are the one of the vendor registered with Dubai Park for supply of napkins. And I joined after Raj sir. So I worked under Raj sir. It was wonderful. Just compared with other my previous experience. So I got lot of things and I learned lot of things from his motivational things. He forced me to do things and his supports and everything. And as well as I have to thanks because my work is depends on I have to work cooperate with others like all the managers. Most of the time it's Anand, Naresh and everybody, all of the managers cooperated with me because at the time all the hospitalities they need the delivery at the right time. So without your help I cannot do anything. I cannot do that I just want to thank to all of you guys. Thank you so much for this is not for me. I know this you are doing for the Bikanerwala. This is supporting me, and this is the way I am, making the relationships with the hotels team.
Very good. Very good.
One more time, thank you so much for the opportunity to speak.
Thank you. Sandeep.
First of all, happy birthday, sir, and thanks for the yummy cake. And I just want to share just one thing in Diwali, in starting, like when we started Diwali preparation for all the things. One thing I remember that in initial stage, you just come to us and told us, guys, go and grab all the orders. I don't want anything. I don't want to see any customer who is entering in our outlet go empty-handed. So the kind of support, the kind of booster which you had given to us was spectacular. So thank you so much for it.
सर सबसे पहले हैप्पी बर्थडे टू यू।
Thank you.
और सर मैंने आपसे एक ही चीज़ सीखी है कि करो, कैसे भी करो, मतलब करना है। आप थक नहीं सकते, आप ये मत सोचो कि आप थके हुए हो। अपना माइंड फ्रेश रखो, कोशिश करो कि करके दिखाओ 100%। और आगे भी आपका सपोर्ट चाहिए होगा, जैसे आप हर बार सपोर्ट करते हैं कि क्या चाहिए क्या नहीं चाहिए, जो भी तुमको चाहिए मुझको बताओ, तो वही सपोर्ट हर बार चाहिए आपसे और शायद से मिलता भी रहेगा। तो आपसे बहुत अच्छी अच्छी चीज़ें सीखी है सर, और आगे भी फ्यूचर में वो चीज़ें सीखनी है।
सबसे पहले सर हैप्पी बर्थडे एंड आपको 2 साल हुआ है कंपनी ज्वाइन करते हुए, तो काफ़ी सारे एक्सपीरियंस मिला आपसे, और आगे भी हम लोग सब इतना सारे ग्रोथ करते हुए जा रहे हैं, और अच्छा हमारे को भी एक्सपीरियंस मिल रहा है, और आगे भी हम करते जाएंगे।
थैंक यू सर, हैप्पी बर्थडे सर। जब से आप ज्वाइन किए हैं, और मैं इस कंपनी में पहले से भी था, और पहले से भी 2 साल लगभग पहले से, और जब से आप ज्वाइन किया और आपके साथ काम करना चालू किया सर, मेरा जो कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल है बहुत ही हाई हुआ, और आपने मुझे अपॉर्चुनिटी भी दी लुलु जाने का, और वहाँ भी जाकर के अभी देख रहे हैं, और पिछली दिवाली और इस दिवाली 2 दिवाली का एक्सपीरियंस भी और सब आपके साथ है। जो आपके साथ काम करने के साथ ना कॉन्फिडेंस लेवल बहुत ही हाई हो जाता है, और आप बहुत चीज़ सीखने को देते हैं, और एक जो फ्री हैंड है आपका कि जाओ और करो, वो चीज़ सर हमारे लिए बहुत पॉजिटिव है।
I think this is a major compliment which Arvind is giving, that you have given a free hand to everybody, that you have performed exactly the thing. So that is a major compliment.
Yeah, because I'm one man, Pankaj is one man. He's sitting, he's taking care of lots of things, and I'm into the operations. So if you guys will not be able to take responsibility, we cannot go ahead. Every time I cannot go to your outlet and see, because 9 more outlets is on the pipeline. So that has to be also taken care. So that is why I have built my confidence on you guys. Wherever you are at present, you are doing pretty good.
But sir, without your support, nothing is possible. But with your support, everything is possible.
I think.
Wish you, sir. Wish you happy birthday to you, sir. Once again.
Wish you very happy birthday, sir.
Thank you, and thank you very much, all of you.
And beyond the people's needs to have all the next time and next future with you, sir.
Thank you. We'll try to build Bikanerwala in a better way and a real huge way. Everywhere I will bring Bikanerwala into the world if I can.
Thank you.